Down by the pond in the golden sun lived a duck who loved to run. But more than swimming, splashing, play, she loved to dance the day away. With feathers bright and feet so neat, she tapped a rhythm with her feet. She twirled and spun, she hopped so high, her dance lit up the morning sky.
Mama duck, come see me spin. Watch my dance, let's all begin. Her brothers clapped, her sisters cheered. The dancing duck was truly revered.
The frogs played drums on lily leaves, the turtles clapped beneath the trees. The fish blew bubbles soft and round to match her steps with splashing sound. She danced on water light as air, her reflection shimmered everywhere. A spin, a jump, a joyful slide, she splashed her friends from side to side.
Quack, 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 she sang in tune. Her dance went on till afternoon.
The butterflies twirled in gentle flight, joining her waltz in golden light. Then came a breeze from the shady tree, she danced along with graceful ease. Her wings spread wide, her smile so bright, she danced until the stars at night. The moon looked down, the crickets played as ripples on the water swayed.
She bowed her head, her dance was done. Her heart was happy, full of fun.
Now every morning near the stream, she dances softly in her dream. For every duck, both big and small, knows the dancing duck who charmed them all. When you hear a splash so sweet and clear, you'll know the dancing duck